cabin crew place doors to automatic and cross-check.
British Airways safety information video. Can you just look into the camera and give your name, please?
Hi, I'm Stuart LHR.
And have you done any safety videos before?
No, only feature films.
Well, this could be your big break, okay, mate? So don't mess it up. Shall we get one in the can, guys? Okay, action!
We will now demonstrate the safety features on this aircraft.
Pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. And thus a double bow. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. Now the air in this rather wonderful jacket can be topped up by using this neat little mouthpiece. There's also a charming whistle and light combination for attracting attention, should you be one of those people who enjoys attention. And please, fairly obviously, do not inflate your lovely life jacket until you've actually left the aircraft, at which point toggle up, inflate away, and whistle all you like.
Okay, please now ensure that your seat is upright and in the takeoff position with armrest down. Your footstool and video screen are stored if you have them, and your table is folded away.
Genius! Look, I've got goosebumps.
Is that it? Just the tray table?
That's it. You absolutely nailed it, Jim.
Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move your seat, but let one of your cabin crew know. When not being used in flight, devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket. Sorry, that wasn't very good, was it?
Yes, babes, don't be so hard on yourself.
Smoking is not permitted anywhere whilst on board, and this includes the washrooms, which are fitted with smoke detectors. E-cigarettes are not permitted either.
Oh, and wizard pipes, eh?
Full compliance, yes. Wizard pipes are completely out.
In the unlikely event of the aircraft having to make an emergency landing, you will be told to adopt this protective brace position. If facing rearwards in Club World, you must adopt this position. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of the doors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
Great, very intense. I love the sour face. Maybe we could try the next bit just a little less serious. It's not X-Files, it's not Alien Alert. Just chill out, yeah?
Thank you.
Brilliant, thank you, Gillian.
You'll also find the Flying Start donation envelope in your seat area. So if you've got any spare change in any currency, find it, take it out, and put it in the envelope. Please.
Spot on. Okay, that's a wrap.
On behalf of British Airways, Comic Relief and Flying Start,
Thank you for your attention and your kind donations.
Every penny of which will help children all over the world.
Living really tough lives.
If you have any questions or you can't find your safety card,
Or Flying Start envelope.
Please ask one of your gorgeous cabin crew members.
Have an enjoyable flight.
Cabin crew, take your seats for takeoff. are underway. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you all aboard this flight to Santorini. I'd like to welcome to you all and to welcome back our typical club members and all our frequent flyers. If there's anything that we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it's safe to leave your seats, please take care when emptying the overhead lockers. Items may be moved could fall out and cause injury. We are about to start our onboard service. Chassis snug up your cabin will be offering you a complimentary meal. A selection of drinks from the bar and tea and coffee. In our Euro traveller cabin we have a great selection of food and drinks available to buy. You can find details of today's M&S onboard menu in your seat pocket. You can pay by using either credit or debit card, and while our executive club members we also accept Avios. We do not accept cash as payment. We will shortly be coming through the cabin to take your order for any hot food. And later in the flight we'll be at our high life shop, so please you take a look at the brochure available. As I said, if there's anything that we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. This can be done by visiting the galley or using the hook button. Now I invite you to sit